Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the Jasmine Show. I'm just doing to get ready with me today. It's a pretty day, the sun kind of out or whatever. And I'm just gonna go out and get some groceries. So nothing major. I might go get dinner with my friend later on, but it's nothing. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna start with my LA Pro Girl color corrector because I got a couple dark spots on that thing. But I just do this to kind of like cover up my dark spots. I don't really do a lot because it's orange and I ain't trying to look orange. Period. I've already wet my beauty blender here. It's a Real Techniques beauty blender. I can't talk today. Okay. Let's get the city girls on. Keep up that big lock, gang. With no rando. Period. Anyway, I just kind of blend this out. That way, when I put my concealer or in foundation on top of this, it will, you know, it won't show up or nothing like that. So, and honestly, the problems that I have are probably not even real problems to some people, but let me live, okay? I don't want it showing up. What I use for my foundation is the L'Oreal 24-hour Infallible. I use the color 109. It's super matte. So if you got dry skin, I wouldn't suggest using this at all. I mixed it with a new foundation that I picked up at Sephora. It's Milk. Oh shoot. It's Milk or whatever. And I just put it's super watery. So it's like a dewy mixed with the matte. I think it I don't know. I think it just makes it better. And then I mix in my MAC. MAC gives me like the yellow undertones that I do have. And you have to be careful with this stuff because it will just pour out of nowhere. And I don't need that much because I'm blending three foundations, obviously. And so I'll just like take the tip of one of my little brushes and then I'll just kind of like mix it in on my hand here till I get to the color that I think. And then I'll just kind of put the remainder on the beauty blender. And I just go ahead and start like, blending that in right off of my hand. Cause baby, we trying to look real cute. Not really. I'm just going to the grocery store and out with a friend later. But you want to make sure it is blended all the way in, honey. I kind of work on one side at a time because, like I said, the infallible is super matte. So if you see how fast I'm working, you have to. But I mean, it's a little bit. So yeah. Yeah. Oh, child, when I say it's been a struggle with these brows for the last couple weeks now. Okay. We'll see what they look like. It's a little thick for me. But we'll see. We'll see. Let me move to the next one. And we gotta scoot up. Scoot up, scoot up, scoot up, scoot up. But yeah. Oh, this one right here, y'all, has been a struggle. And it's the worst one. It's grown out so much. It's just, I don't know, is it like she did it uneven or something? I don't know. Oh. Let's tighten up. Y'all better tighten up. PM missing. Look, I ain't finna rap to y'all. I ain't gonna rap to y'all, but that's decent. This is the best I've done in a while. I'm proud of this right now, okay? Let's see. Cause I've been messing up on the tail part, but I ain't gonna jinx myself. I'm trying to get my friend is right though. I do need to get some better brushes. Some that are actually flat brushes. Cause me trying to sit here and flatten them is just not working. I have been messing up this. See, I just feel like I'll be wiping it off or something. I try not to put that much product on when I do go back in. I just think it's because the tail is messed up, but my friend did it the other day and they didn't do that. She did use the darker color too. I just don't go for the dark brows though. But for what she did the other day, it actually looked good. Okay. Okay. We might can work with this. We might can work with this. Okay. So next, like I said, let me put the top note on this stuff because honey, I'll leave it for days and it'd be just a mess. But so anyway, so I still am not like the professional at putting no lashes, so I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be back. This is the finished look.